What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the Galaxy S20, and this device has been good for me so far. I got my main SIM in it, and I've been using it every day. Well, I want to kind of give you my thoughts about the Galaxy S20 with the front-facing camera that I'm using right now. Also, the rear camera, and we're going to talk about Pro Mode. But I got a treat for you also. I'm going to give you a grand tour of my 2020 studio. It's kind of work in progress, but I'm kind of going to give you a grand tour of my studio in this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Woo, let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm in my studio and I'm gonna kind of show you guys some things that I've done in the studio over the past couple of years. I'm filming this entire video on the Galaxy S20 Plus. This is the front-facing camera. Also, I'm using the regular audio. So hopefully this come out great. All right, so as y'all guys know, y'all see me kind of standing right here in some of my videos. Well, this is my wall of fame. I got some things on here that I reviewed on my channel and I liked it, so I put it on my wall of fame. I got some headphones here. Also, I'm a New Orleans fan because I am in New Orleans. So there it is right there. So New Orleans Saints, that's my team. Also, I got from the New Orleans Saints a towel here, which they sent me out. I really do appreciate that. And also, that sword there that y'all guys do see some of my videos and all my live streams, is that was sent out to me too as an unboxing knife. So thank you very much for sending that out. Also, I got my robot down here looking on. You might see this robot in a couple of my videos because I use him as a prop. That's my robot there. All right, so let's go and turn the camera around now. In some of my live streams, y'all guys see me with the soundproof stuff up here, right? This helps out a lot because this room had a lot of echo. And so I put a lot of this soundproofing on here, a lot of it. So I'm pretty much covering the entire wall with soundproofing. It makes a big difference when I'm filming a lot of my videos. So I'm also gonna turn the camera around. This is my setup here, right? Let's see if I can get that in there, because now I got the white balance and stuff kicking in because I got my studio lights on. So I got camera here, I have a camera here, okay, and I have a camera there. So, okay, so I got 3 cameras. Uh-oh, the white balance kicking in. So let me go on and turn the camera around to the front camera, the rear camera, and I'm gonna put this on Pro Mode so we can see how the Pro Mode is. All right, guys, so I turn the camera around and I'm using Pro Mode on the Galaxy S20. And the only reason why I'm using Pro Mode is because when you on auto mode, when you point to the light, your device changes shutter speeds, your ISO and your white balance and all that stuff change when you put it on auto. So when you put it on manual mode, you can lock these settings so the device will not go dark. But let's talk about some of the equipment that I got here. I got 3 cameras. I got the Canon SL3 here, which is one of my go-to cameras here. Plus I have a monitor. Then I have a Canon M50 over there, and I have a Nikon camera. So all 3 of these cameras here serves as unique purposes when I'm doing filming a lot of videos. And as you can see, I have green screen all the way around. And the reason why I have green screens all the way around is because I film a lot of videos with green screen. So you see a lot of me doing green screen videos, and I got all my walls and stuff covered with green screen. Right there is a portable green screen, but my entire wall up there is covered in green screen. So I film a lot of my content like that. So I have a tablet there. That's going to be the Lenovo tablet. That tablet is my monitor for the M50. Then I have my computer here. I do a lot of my edits on that computer. And these are studio lights. Now I used to have 4 of them in here, but I configured 2 of them to give me that pure brightness that I need here in the studio. And so also I have a mic. Okay, so that's the Movo, not mic there. And I have my arm there with the mic. And that works out great because when I'm sitting, I talk and I don't have to wear a lavalier mic. But if I do, then I have the lavalier mic right here. And I do have a wireless one that works out great. So as far as the lenses, y'all guys see here, these are 2 Sigma lenses. These are the 18 to 35 1.8 aperture lenses here on both of the devices. On the M50, I have an adapter, and on the Nikon, it's just a regular kit lens. So that's my camera setup. This is my light setup, and this is my mic setup right here. And this is the Galaxy S20 in Pro Mode. This is what y'all seen, and this is what y'all listening to. As y'all saw when I had it on the front-facing camera, when you hit like light, your ISO, your shutter speed, and everything start changing just because it's trying to adapt to the light. But when you put it on Pro Mode, you can lock all your features. So this is nice. And hey, I like the autofocus so far on it. It is what it is. So this is my setup. I film right here. I film right there. And there go the green screen. And again, let me show you how the ISO and the white balance start kicking in once you get close to the light. See that? And so what Pro Mode does, it prevents this. So as you can see, once we put it on Pro Mode, you can lock all your shutter speed and your ISO so you won't run into these problems like this. This is why Pro Mode is so important, and I'm glad Samsung brought it back to the Galaxy S20 Plus. This phone has been really good. My thoughts on it really quick. The Galaxy S20 battery life has been really good. I'm still testing it out. Now I did have some issues with speed because it's showing 5G, but I'm not getting 5G speeds. I'm getting about 60 megs. But the build quality is okay. I don't like the camera hump. I do like the placement of the buttons and everything. The display is absolutely amazing. The speed of the device as far as performance is absolutely amazing. Running Decks run really good, which I'm going to make a separate video about Decks. The cameras, hey, I just let y'all be the judge for yourself when it comes down to the camera. So, I don't have too much to say about the cameras in this video. But overall, I think the Galaxy S20 is a fantastic phone for sure. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about my tour setup and the Galaxy S20 Plus in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Let's have some fun. Yeah.